All right. It looks like we are live. Super excited to come to you guys here from the Genzio account on multiple platforms. Video that we got some incredible information to share with you today. We have some incredible guests. I'm going to start with the main one that will introduce the rest. So we have Javier from ICP Hub. What's going on, Javier? Good to have you.
Thank you. Action. I love your name. Thank you so much for invite us, invite the ICP team, invite as well Quantum Leap Labs, and one of our best projects. It's a pleasure to be here.
Just a little bit in regards to what it is that you're actually building. So give me the high level of what it is, and then we'll break it down of how it all works.
If I talk about at the high level, so everyone wants money, and here you can multiply your money with 100x's. That's it. And with the entertainment as well. Yeah. So you just need to be, you just need to make a team, and that's it.
So I mean, we mentioned that it's about soccer, but what does the app actually do? How do people engage? How do people use it? What is it really for?
What it do basically, you need to be manage your team. Let's suppose we have a match between Real Madrid and Barcelona. So Barcelona has its own team, and Real Madrid has its own team. Now, being a manager, you need to create your own team from the players of both of the team. You need to select some players from Real Madrid. You need to select some players from the Barcelona, and finally, you will have your own team. And then, based on their performance in a real match, you are going to get points. And when you are going to get the points, you are going to rank. And this is it.
In the US, like people are very accustomed to fantasy sports, especially fantasy football. This is a concept that a lot of people already understand. What made you guys actually bring it to the realm of Web3? Like, why do you actually need this to be in a Web3 scenario?
You are right. The fantasy sports concept is not a concept which is very new itself. But you said you are in USA, and people are actually well aware of this concept. And there are a lot of websites which are available, or apps which are available, and let you create teams for that kind of football. But I have a question. If somebody sitting in Africa and he want to participate on those kind of football websites sitting in Africa, can he do that?
Not really.
Yes, that's the problem. And when we talk sports, we don't talk about geography, we don't talk about race or color or these things. So the reason we are bringing it to blockchain and we are saying it's something mind blowing is this: that if there is opportunity available for rewards or for enjoyment of sports in USA, why the same kind of opportunity is not available in so far parts of Asia or far parts of Africa? So that's what Fantasy Extreme is about. Yes, it's about rewards, but it's also equally about giving everyone the same opportunity to enjoy the game, to earn from the game, and to earn from their understanding of the game. So that's the answer to it.
That's awesome. So you're essentially bringing, football to everyone, regardless of where they're at. I mean, that is really exciting. I'm just going to jump in and ask, like, what does it actually look like? Because I mean, that's the big thing for me. Like, it's I love the tech. I love how things sound, but ultimately, does it look cool?
Yeah, it does look cool. It's a work in progress. The good thing is that we have already a alpha release working now. It's live as of now. We have some alpha user rewards in place, which I will explain in a while. So everything is there. Just to give the concept to the people who don't understand the fantasy sports itself, I have an introduction kind of video which I can share, which actually explains the same concept, which we discussed, and maybe you and me, being the sports enthusiast, we do understand it within detail, the fantasy sports concept.
Hernandez, pushed away by Diogo Costa. Away from Camavinga. Rafael Leao. And now suddenly the game has opened up. And there's a chance for France at the other end. Nelson Semedo able to get back to it.
And that's how you make millions, right?
That's how
Yeah.
you make them, yes.
So, fun thing, we're getting people asking questions on the live chat. So I'm going to come right over to Facts of the World, and he asked this fun question: is there or will there be a mobile app for the application?
Yes, it's part of our what we call it roadmap. As of now, we have web platform. The responsiveness is, as you know, it's under development, and we have started only just 4 months into the development work. So this work you see on our website is a 4-month work. It's working perfectly in the web version. In mobile responsive view, the work is in progress. We will be rolling it out somewhere next 10 to 15 days. So even if it's not mobile app, but the experience you get within the website will be 100% same like a mobile app.
Awesome.
So, and as soon as we move to the next step of the development, we have alpha phase results and bounties in place, bugs fixed. We will be start working on the mobile app. So there will be a mobile app, yes.
So what I'm hearing is that you're looking for that next Oracle company to come along and say, hey, we'd love to have you guys as a partner. Here's the data you're looking for any and all sports. Doesn't matter if it's tennis, soccer, cricket, you can have it. Like that to me is huge, because I mean, it's one of those things, like you're actually looking to grow as opposed to, focusing on being the only one out there. It's a matter of continuing to grow and allow users to have the experience that they need. The pieces in the background, sure, it can change over time and the user doesn't even have to feel it, which is the nice part of it. As long as you're getting the right data in front of them, that's all that matters.
That's what matters, yes. And you must have heard the term like you expand horizontally or vertically. Right now the focus is vertical, and as maybe we're up to certain height, we can think about horizontal expansions. But right now we are focused on that.
Awesome. How can people start to either, make $5 a game, or even, find out updates and get into what you guys have been up to and find out those, the roadmap and how things are going?
We have most of the details are on their website at fantasyextreme.org. Then we have Fantasy Extreme Twitter handle, where you can follow all the updates and everything regarding the things, promotions, NFT promotions, any other promotions which we launch during the time. Then I will really tell everyone that whether you go to our website or you go to Twitter handle, please join our Discord community, because that is our one touch point with our Discord, with our community. So all the updates coming there. On any other social media, they first go to Discord, and there are most of the updates, like daily updates about our progress of development. We do share some our development progress, share some screenshots, what's happening, blah blah blah. Most of the things we first share on the Discord community, and then of course selected things, touch pieces come to the rest of the channels. So follow us on Discord. Join our Discord channel, follow us on Twitter, website is there, all the links are available there.
Guys, this has been an incredible conversation. I really appreciate the time. I appreciate you guys coming on and being willing not only to talk about what you're doing, but take questions. For everybody watching, I did not plan any of this. It was just a matter of talking to good people, building a great project.
There are a lot of things in plan. For sure, we will be in touch and you will see the progress happen.
I love it. I love it. I'm super excited about what you guys are building. Thank you all so much for, hanging out for a whole hour and sharing what's been going on, what you guys are building, and, just the fact that this is real. It's actually exciting to talk to people that are building real things in this space. So thank you all so much.
Bye.